Sup guys, Crazy Science here. Today we're going to talk about global warming and how it's affecting the Earth. So, global warming is climate change. Specifically, it means that the Earth is getting hotter, but why? Well, the Earth is getting hotter because of humans, actually. Like, humans make CO2, which is carbon dioxide. But before we get into that, let's talk about greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are gases that suck up heat. For example, carbon dioxide, it sucks heat from the atmosphere. Nitrogen sucks heat. Methane sucks heat. A lot of gases in the air sucks heat, and when the gases suck up the heat, it traps them. It traps the heat in the earth. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Some light will bounce back. Some heat will bounce back to space, but for the most part, it keeps all the heat in. Like even clouds suck up heat, oceans suck up heat, and yeah. And if there were no such thing as greenhouse gases, the Earth would be a very cold place. But too much greenhouse gases are bad. Like if you have too much CO2 in the atmosphere, well, first of all, it's overcoming oxygen. Second of all, it's going to suck in a lot of heat. If you have too much of it, it's going to trap more heat. There's going to be more heat in the earth. So it gets so hot that no life can live there. So, that's what's actually happening right now. Climate change is happening. The earth is getting very, very hotter. Now let's explain this process. First of all, humans have to blame it. Humans smoke, drive cars, cut down trees, which causes fires, fires release smoke, which suck up heat. And humans are the ones who's the cause of this. Humans has been ignoring this. So first of all, humans may smoke or drive cars to cause pollution. The pollution goes into the atmosphere, which sucks up heat. And when it sucks the heat, it releases a little bit of heat and traps in most of the heat. Humans keep doing this, which is adding more heat. The ocean sucks in the heat, kind of. Because when it's hot, water evaporates, right? So since it's hot, because of the sucking in of heat, since it's hot now, water from the ocean would evaporate because of the pollution. It sucks up heat, so the ocean would evaporate since it will be hot. Now when the ocean evaporates, it causes more rain clouds, and rain clouds itself sucks up heat, which makes more rain clouds, which will make it be raining every single day, which will rise the level of the water. And first of all, since it's hot, glaciers are melting, which is going to kill the polar bears. Ice caps are melting. It'll kill the penguins. It'll kill everything, basically. And since glaciers melt, the water will even rise more. And in the future, some like Hawaii, Japan, They might be completely covered by water and they'll be underwater because of this global warming. So that's what global warming basically is. So to sum it up, humans pollute, sucks up heat. The ocean will evaporate, making clouds that suck up heat even more, which is like causing a hole in the ozone layer in Antarctica already. So the glaciers will melt of course, rising water, and we're doomed, kind of. But is it too late? Should we just give up? Well, from my opinion, I would say it's kinda in the middle. If we wait anymore, it's gonna be too late. If we fix it, it's not gonna be too late. See, humans are in the ice age right now. People think the ice age lasted millions of years ago. We're still in the ice age. Like ice age animals like the Deinonychus, the woolly mammoth, only existed about 200 years ago. For the woolly mammoth, about 1,000 years ago. See, so we're still in the ice age. We are the last people in the ice age era, kind of. We live in a territory period, which is in the ice age, but now we're moving into a new period. You might as well just call it the warm age or the global warming age, whatever you want to call it. But the Earth is getting hot, and don't think of like this. I'm not gonna see the Earth get hot. That's probably gonna happen like 500 years more or so. No, the Earth's getting hot right now. If you don't like it now, people who are still living today are gonna see the Earth get really, really hot, and it's not gonna sustain life anymore. So, yeah. So, for the people watching this, I encourage you to, you could use solar panels, recycle, reduce, reuse, recycle, so you don't have to order products. So, like, and use bikes. Don't order a lot of stuff. Reuse them. Because if you order stuff, there has to be a truck who carries the stuff, causing more pollution. Don't use a lot of electricity. You have to burn fossil fuels, which causes CO2. And like again, leads to global warming. So, yeah. That's it for Crazy Science. Just about global warming. Stay tuned for our next episode about how eating plants are not the right choice, kind of. Bye.